sure it's because I'm an engineer, but just from childhood, I spend most of my time in my head. I'm just a logical, data-driven person. Just thinking about it while walking. How come I don't see any hearts? And you guys keep on seeing heart stones. I see geometric shapes. I see triangles, hexagons. I'm not trained to look for hearts. More open, because again, I mean, it sounds silly, but I swear to God, I looked at that thing and go, what the heck is she looking at? When you tell yourself to look for it, then you start seeing it. But I didn't ever see a stone that looked like a heart. Maybe a circle, semicircle, just geometric shape. Because I don't have the background in
Hearts.
you have to be open to see it, right?
Yeah.
You don't look for it. You don't know what to look for, so you don't look, so you don't see it. You gotta want to see it.
Yeah.
You gotta be open to see
I am
it.
open to it.
And,
I'm always
and
asking.
when you don't know that you're not open, well, guess what? You ain't gonna see it, right? I mean, so it's
You don't even know it's missing.
you don't. How do you look for
But
something
see,
you don't
now
know
you-
it's there? So I think I learned a lot about the softer side of things, and it's okay to go there, right? I mean, it's okay to look at the flowers and say, "Wow," as opposed to just walk by them because I'm going somewhere. It's okay to look for stones that look like hearts. And not triangles or hexagons or trapezoids. So and it's big. I mean, it sounds silly, but for me, that's like a big difference than the way I view things. So then it changes the way you feel too, right?
Changes the way
I feel. So I feel softer, maybe more in touch with softer side of myself. You learn to see things differently, which is big. There goes my triangles. Trapezoids. They're gone.